Hello and welcome to Level Your Finances, and I will drop the link below for you. So I just want to do a quick exercise. I thought this was really fun, so I wanted to share it with you guys. So I'd like everyone to take out some money, some form of currency. Now that could be cash for some of you that, use your phones for your wallets, but let's go ahead and take a minute to either reach into your purse, reach into your pocket, grab your debit card as well, if that's what you have readily available. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab my money here out of my purse. So if you need to put this video on pause, go ahead and put it on pause. Again, grab some form of money, any type of currency. Do this quick exercise with me. All right, so if you need to pause the video, go ahead and pause it and then resume it. So now that you have the money in your hand, go ahead and wave it around, right? Wave it around. Okay, you want to, feel the energy of having money in your hand. Now, repeat after me. The only reason I ever have money, any money in my pocket, my wallet, my bank account, my purse, is so that I can buy things I desire, right? We have money. We ascertain to get money so that we can buy the things we desire, or we can contribute to the things that we care about and support the people that we love, right? Those are really the top reasons why we have money. And the reason that is because somebody somewhere sold you something that transformed your life, whether it is a job, whether it sold you on college, a trade school, a course, is so that you could transform your life, right? And so what I like to put in front of you today is click the link below. See how what I have to offer can transform your financial well-being. Do all the YouTube things for me. Click, subscribe, like, so that I can continue to provide you content of this nature. Stay tuned. I will do another quick short clip on what the next step for you could be to help you transform your financial status so that you can continue to buy the things that you desire, new car, a home, contribute to the things that you care about, whether it's a charity of all sorts, and support the people that you love, send your children to, college or to better schools. We all have different aspirations. So thank you for tuning in and have a fantastic rest of your day.